Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn. Every event is not a transaction, but every transaction is an event. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So let's get started. Every event is not a transaction, but every transaction is an event. There are many events happening around us every day, but not all of them are recorded in the account books. Every transaction is created from one event, but not all events are called transactions. By analyzing the nature of the transaction, it is easy to understand which event is a transaction and which event is not a transaction. Let's try to find out why every event is not a transaction, but every transaction is an event. The reason behind every event is not a transaction. 1. Basically, there are two types of events: financial and non-financial. Events that change the financial position are called financial transactions, and events that do not change the financial position are called non-financial transactions. 2. Every transaction has two sides. One side takes advantage of it and the other side provides benefits, which is the events in which the two parties are involved will be called a transaction and the rest will not be called a transaction. 3. Events through which goods or services are exchanged are called transactions, and through which goods or services are not exchanged are not called transactions. 4. All events related to money or events that are measurable by the term of money are called transactions, but all other events not related to money are not called transactions. 5. It is mandatory to have a document in a transaction. Transactions that do not contain a document are not called transactions. The reason behind every transaction is an event. 1. As a result of the transaction, financial and structural changes to the event are made, therefore, all transactions are one event. 2. Every transaction changes the financial status of all events. 3. Events that are self-sufficient and distinct are considered transactions. 4. The events considered to be transactions are documented. 5. Transactions may be both visible and invisible. 6. There are two parties to each transaction, that is, events that have two sides are considered transactions. 7. Transactions in which goods and services are exchanged are considered to be transactions. In view of the above, we can say that every event that happens every day in our business is not a transaction. But all of the transactions are events. If you want to know more or like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.